If you have the DJI Flip and you're doing a lot of traveling, StartRC has this really good case that's going to keep it safe and secure and just all together. So it's this really nice heavy duty. It's got like a good rib cage to it, and it's it's also very lightweight as well, so it's not going to be super heavy in your luggage. So you can open it up and you can see all the outlines for your flip, where you can pop your flip in there just like perfectly. Put the controller in there as well. I actually have the StartRC controller for, I have the StartRC cover for the controller, and it fits in that, no problem. And then it has spots for your batteries. So if you have a bunch of batteries, you can pop them over there, and then your battery charger right there. And then there's a big mesh pocket, zipped up pocket that you can put any cables or anything else, zip it up. And one thing you'll notice is the handle is really, like, probably like the highest quality handle. It's got great silicone padding underneath it, making it very comfortable to hold. And you can just see how strong it is when it's connected. It's just like a really, really good handle. And then they also include a shoulder strap, so you can just attach this onto the sides, and then you can wear it around your shoulder if you need to. But just a great way to keep your flip and accessories all secure as you're traveling. Just always nice to just keep it all in one compartment. So this is probably one of the best cases I've seen for this. It's just so good. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.